Welcome to the exciting world of production and logistics systems design. In this course, you will learn about the essential concepts and skills needed to succeed in the dynamic and ever-growing field of production and logistics. We will explore the entire supply chain, from sourcing raw materials to delivering finished products to customers. You will gain a comprehensive understanding of topics such as inventory management, transportation, warehousing, and lean manufacturing. By the end of the course, you will be prepared to apply your knowledge and skills to real-world problems in the production and logistics industry. Production and logistics systems are the backbone of any successful business. They ensure that the right materials are in the right place at the right time, which is essential for meeting customer demand and optimizing production efficiency. By streamlining operations and reducing waste, these systems can significantly improve a company's bottom line. They ensure the efficient flow of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods throughout the supply chain, optimizing costs, reducing waste, and improving customer satisfaction. By effectively managing production and logistics, businesses can achieve competitive advantages, enhance operational efficiency, and drive profitability. Inventory management is a crucial aspect of supply chain operations, encompassing the strategic planning and control of goods and materials to meet customer demand while minimizing costs. The key objectives of inventory management, including ensuring product availability, minimizing carrying costs, and optimizing inventory levels. By understanding these concepts, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of inventory management's role in achieving supply chain efficiency and profitability. Effective inventory management is the cornerstone of business success. It ensures a smooth flow of goods from purchasing to delivery, guaranteeing the right products are readily available for customers. This minimizes storage costs, prevents stockouts, and fulfills customer demand efficiently. Additionally, robust inventory strategies empower businesses to optimize operations, strengthen cash flow, and gain a competitive edge. Through in-depth understanding, companies can streamline their supply chains, achieve greater efficiency, and reap significant financial benefits. Purchasing management is a crucial function for businesses of all sizes. It encompasses the entire process of acquiring goods and services from external suppliers, ensuring that the right products are purchased at the right time, at the right price, and from the right sources. Effective purchasing management can significantly impact a company's bottom line by optimizing costs, improving quality, and managing risks. Strategic purchasing management goes beyond simply placing orders and receiving goods. It involves building strong relationships with suppliers, collaborating on product development, and aligning purchasing decisions with overall business objectives. This proactive approach can lead to innovation, cost savings, and a competitive advantage. Production planning and control, PPC, is a critical function in manufacturing that ensures the smooth and efficient operation of the production process. It involves activities such as planning what to produce, when to produce it, and how much to produce, scheduling and sequencing production tasks, and managing inventory and resources. Effective PPC can help manufacturers reduce costs, improve quality, and meet customer demand. Is an essential part of any successful manufacturing operation. By effectively planning and controlling the production process, manufacturers can ensure that they are producing the right products at the right time and at the right cost. This can help them to improve their competitiveness and profitability in the global marketplace. A material requirements planning (MRP) system can help businesses optimize their material planning by automating the process of determining what materials are needed, when they are needed, and in what quantities. MRP empowers businesses to streamline production. By accurately forecasting material needs, MRP helps reduce stockouts and minimize inventory carrying costs. Material requirements planning (MRP) is a widely used approach to materials planning that utilizes software to calculate the exact quantities of materials needed for production at specific points in time. MRP considers factors such as bills of materials, inventory levels, lead times, and production schedules to generate detailed procurement and production plans. This data-driven approach helps businesses optimize resource allocation, minimize waste, and achieve production goals efficiently. A well-designed production and logistics system acts as the nerve center of a business, orchestrating the flow of materials, information, and goods from origin to destination. It encompasses strategic planning, operational execution, and performance monitoring, enabling businesses to achieve their objectives. Companies can gain a significant competitive edge in the global marketplace by investing in well-designed and optimized systems. This not only streamlines operations and enhances efficiency, but also allows for better resource utilization through advanced technologies and lean manufacturing principles. By minimizing waste and reducing their environmental footprint, businesses contribute to sustainable practices, further solidifying their competitive advantage. In conclusion, we have explored the fundamental concepts of production and logistics systems design. We have gained an understanding of the key modules that encompass this field, including production and logistics, inventory management, purchasing management, production planning and control, and materials planning. As we delve deeper into each module, we will uncover the intricacies of supply chain optimization, enabling us to streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and achieve organizational excellence.